So we're on South Straddie Island, and this is the Straddie design. It was finished about a year ago now. There's another one of these getting built on the Gold Coast as well. Certainly a difficult location to get to. There's no roads. It has to be brought in by barge, but certainly worth the effort. It's all about that outside living, looking straight down the canal here. Beautiful, big high ceilings, and they've used the prime line, I think it's Newport, on the outside. So a James Hardy product, the Queer decking, and then a nice big open plan living with the highlight windows at the top and the rake ceilings. And a fireplace. So down the end is a master bedroom, another bathroom. So along this wing there's a total of 3 bedrooms. There's the laundry down there, an art gallery down this end. And the whole house is connected by a doorway, a breezeway, and decking. There's a little double garage with a little office tucked up the top. There's a sauna that's going to go down there as well. And yeah, have a look at the front facade of the house. Nice skillet roofs. Blends in well with the island living. This is very isolated here, but it's very beautiful.